Since 1977, Tenba has been building the most uncompromising bags for professional photographers and filmmakers the world over. The Tenba Tools Cable Duo helps keep your cables and accessories organized and easy to find inside your larger cases. The Duo is so named because it has two sides, a shallow side with built-in elastic loops for cables, batteries, and smaller tools, and a deeper side for larger items like chargers, microphones, light meters, radio triggers, and hard drives. The length of the Duo allows you to store popular wireless lavalier mics without bending the antenna. The Duo is available in 4 and 8-inch sizes and slides easily into a briefcase, backpack, or rolling bag. Like all Tenba products, these are built to last with water-repellent nylon fabric, YKK zippers, and clear TPU windows so that you can see everything at a quick glance. Quite simply, the Cable Duo is built to outperform and out-organize every other cable pouch there is. Since day one, Tenba has remained totally committed to producing the most durable, the most versatile, the most well-made bags for uncompromising photographers and filmmakers around the world. We never compromise.
And neither should you.